Hello everyone, my name is Niki and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make bobotie, which is a South African dish from the Cape Malay. It is made with mince and curry and chutney and just amazing spices. So I will be showing you how to do everything step by step. The recipe will be linked down below. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for future videos. So let's get started. White sliced bread with the crust off, milk, onion, bay leaf, eggs, crushed garlic, black pepper, salt, curry powder, sweet paprika, turmeric, allspice, beef mince, vinegar, chutney, and olive oil. To start, we will pour the milk over the bread and let it soak up. I just push it down with a fork and set it aside. Place a pan on low to medium heat and add the olive oil. To that, add your chopped onions, give it a good mix and cook it for about a minute or so. Now add the crushed garlic. I normally just take 2 bulbs of garlic and blend them up. Add olive oil, put it in a glass jar, seal it tightly, and in the fridge. And it lasts you for months. Very handy. Now add your spices. Give that a good mix. Cook that also for about a minute or so. And then throw in your mince. I break it up with a wooden spoon. If you like, or if it's easier for you, you can do it with a potato masher. It's up to you. Now add in the salt, however much you like, and the ground black pepper. Give it a mix again and cook this for about 5 minutes, I would say. Now add in the vinegar, and the chutney. I found a very nice chutney here. It's from South Africa. Before I used to substitute it with apricot jam because I couldn't find this chutney here. Thank goodness I found it now. Makes all the difference. Mix that well together and cook this for furthermore 5 minutes. Once it is cooked, you can squeeze out the milk from the bread. Excuse the footage, I did not focus the camera at this point. I do apologize, so please bear with me. Add the soaked bread to your mince and give that a good mix. You could switch off the heat at this point.
Mix it up until the bread is well combined with the mince.
To the remaining milk from the bread, add in 2 eggs and beat it well with a fork. Then pour it over the mince. Spread it around as much as you can. If you want a bit more of an eggy crust on top, you can add another egg. Place 2 bay leaves on top and bake it in the oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes or until golden brown on top. And there you have it. Place a nice big slice onto a plate and serve it with a side salad, or even just an avocado salad with iceberg lettuce is delicious. I added a little extra chutney, and there you go. Enjoy! So there you have it, the South African bobotie. I made it with beef. You can make it with pork or lamb. I do have a vegan recipe as well, which I will do another video on and share it with you guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for future videos. I will link the recipe down below. And please don't forget to smile and be kind to one another. Thank you for watching. Bye.